Once upon a time, a traveler was walking alone in the forest. He often used this route to go from his home to the city. He heard the moaning of an animal in the bushes. His eyes suddenly fell on a lion. The lion was tied with ropes from all sides, and pain and restlessness were visible in his eyes. The lion looked at the traveler and said, "Brother traveler, have mercy on me. Please be kind and set me free. I will never forget this favor for my entire life." The traveler felt pity. He worked hard and untied the ropes, freeing the lion. The lion stood up slowly, showing incredible strength in his muscles. The traveler thought, "Such a powerful lion. Now this could be dangerous." A few days later, the traveler was on his way home from the city in the afternoon when he felt a little tired and lay down to rest for a while under a shady tree. While the traveler was resting under the tree, the lion came close and stared at him. The traveler asked nervously, "Why are you staring at me like that?" The lion said in a serious voice, "Now, I feel there could be no easier prey than you. Today, I want to eat you." The traveler, shocked and hurt, said, "Brother, I did such a huge favor for you, and you said that you would never forget it." The lion replied calmly, "It is my nature. I cannot stop eating. Leaving you is not possible for me." Their argument grew so much that they decided to seek a third party to judge. While walking, they met a donkey. The traveler told the whole story. The donkey said, "Humans often consider us a burden. When we grow old, they send us to harm ourselves. I am with the lion, but I cannot stay with you. I suggest moving carefully." Later on the way, they met a wise fox. The traveler told the entire incident. The wise fox said, "Lion brother, traveler brother, I do not fully understand. I want you to repeat everything exactly as it happened." The lion was tied down again with great care. Once he was securely bound, the wise fox smiled and said, "See, this is wisdom. Sometimes peace and safety are true intelligence. Even those who are free can be dangerous if their nature does not change." And thus, the traveler avoided danger through wisdom and prudence. We often see in our lives that whenever we help someone without thinking, our intentions are perfectly good. But when the other person we are helping is thinking about our loss instead of reciprocating our kindness with kindness, so keeping them restrained is the safest choice. Life teaches us that kindness must be paired with wisdom. Helping others is noble, but blindly trusting someone, especially when their nature is unchangeable, can lead to danger. True intelligence lies in assessing situations, understanding character, and acting wisely. Not all favors are meant to create bonds of loyalty. Sometimes keeping distance or setting boundaries is the greatest act of prudence. Generosity without discernment can invite harm, but discernment combined with compassion ensures safety and peace.